Hello and welcome to Sylvan Mist Designs. Today, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough on how to get into Sylvan Mist Designs Discord server. Now, this particular video will take you step by step through if you do not have a Discord account already. Stay tuned to the very end if you already do have Discord and you just need to get into our server. Make sure you start by navigating over Sylvan Mist Designs homepage here on YouTube. Select any one of the most recent videos, and we're going to go into the description. Start by clicking on More and open up the description and scroll down. Midway through, you're going to see a pinned comment here. Come chat on Discord. You're going to have the word Discord and then a small link here. Or if you're on the homepage, you can click here on the community link. Once in the community tab, scroll down to this post. You'll see Now on Discord. Come join the conversation, and the link will be right here. Once you click on that link, you will be taken to a page like this. You have been invited to join Sylvan Mist Designs. That's the name of our server. Select Accept Invite. At this point, you may also get a pop-up on the top that says to open Discord in an associated app. Unless you already have the Discord app, or you were wanting to download it either for your PC or your mobile device, feel free to click Cancel here, and then continue to Dashboard. Now it's going to want to know your display name. What name do you want others to see? This does not have to be your real name, and as it mentions here, you can certainly use special characters and emojis if you like. Then continue. Wait, are you human? Right. Yes, you do have to do a CAPTCHA. Now, enter your birth date and select Done. Finish signing up. That's just about it. Enter your email address. Yes, it does need to be a valid one. Create a new password. And now it's going to send you a confirmation link. Open up your email program either in another window or another tab and keep Discord open. Once you select the email, you'll get one that looks very similar to this. And all you'll need to do is select Verify Email. And it'll take you right back here to Discord. Continue on to the dashboard. Again, at this point, you may get that pop-up again, asking to open Discord in the app versus on your browser. You can cancel, or if you choose and you want to download it, go ahead and select Open. But now, continue to Discord. You are going to land in our Welcome lobby. This is the start. Take a moment here to say hello and introduce yourself. But first, bottom right-hand corner, you'll want to select that complete link. We do have a set of rules. These are going to be almost identical to the ones in our group if you are part of our group. Treat everyone with respect. No self-promotion and no spam. As the same, if you do post someone else's work, don't claim it as your own. And of course, no age-restrictive or obscene content. And then submit once you've selected that you've read and agree to each of these terms. All right, so now you're ready. First thing you're going to notice is that your account must be at least 5 minutes old in order to actually start talking. So take these first 5 minutes, and there's a little timer right over here to the right to tell you how far you are. Take that first 5 minutes and do a little exploring. Over here on the left, you're going to see a row full of different channels. We've got the welcome channel, and again, this one is really just for you to say hello. If you have any questions, if you're a little bit confused still and you don't know where to go or what to do, ask those questions in here. There are a lot of videos outside of this one on YouTube that'll go way more in depth about what all Discord can do. But if you have some basic questions, drop them in here. On the left, we also have announcements. If I do run any specific contests, if we do have something going on, maybe in the group on Facebook, anything, you're going to find that there. For Mandala specific, and these might actually change over time and we might expand them as people start coming in, but right now we have tips and tricks, show your artwork, and this does include if you are following me along on YouTube with one of our tutorials, paint along series or anything like that. I would love to see your work right there. My YouTube channel, if you actually have watched a video, have any comments, criticisms, if you have a suggestion, put that there. I am also going to use that channel so that if I do start streaming live or if I do have a new video, I'll drop that in there as well. Okay, general topics. Now, this is specifically for Sylvan Mist Designs. and the Mandala community. However, we are all human and we have a lot going on in our lives outside of that. So feel free to pop into the general topics, post pictures of your pets, or talk about your favorite music. What books are you reading? Whatever. Feel free to come and just engage with the rest of the community. All right, so what if you already have Discord, or you actually decided just to go ahead and download the actual app itself? In the top right-hand corner, you're going to see the plus symbol. If you click on that plus symbol, down at the bottom, you'll see Have an Invite, Join a Server. Now, remember when I showed you in the beginning that post in our Communities tab in YouTube? That blue link is what you're going to need to add right here. So just copy paste that, drop it in, and then select Join Server. Now, once you're in, you may actually want to show your work. You might actually want to show a picture of maybe something you're working on, maybe something you're having trouble with, or something that you followed along with me. How do you do that? When you are in that particular thread, you will click this little plus sign down here at the bottom, and you will see Upload a File. As it mentions here, once you're comfortable, just double click on that little plus sign. But for now, if you've forgotten, just click on it once and then click on Upload a File. Select the file that you want from your computer or your mobile, and you are all set. For the rest, it's very, very similar to something like Facebook Messenger or any of the other communication platforms. All right. Again, if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to drop a comment